It's corona everywhere.
See the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost
They have one nightmare.
forever.
To stop, but see,
So, for the people of Kolkata, especially who commute towards Salt Lake or Newtown, they have one nightmare. That nightmare is known as Chingri Ghata. So, what is Chingri Ghata? Chingri Ghata is the name of a crossing, an important crossing of Kolkata. So, to cross that crossing, usually hardly 2-3 kilometers, someone would need more than 30 minutes to wait. And for me, Chingri Ghata crossing is something I need to travel daily. So it's become a must thing now to find out some new road, like to avoid Chingri Ghata. So for that, right now it's 5 p.m. in the evening. It's summer, and I already found 3 roads, which all of them I have to travel through Bashanti Highway, a highway which will take Kolkata peoples to Sundarban. I will be taking that road today. So let's go. Let's move on to motovlog setup. So my Fuji just got serviced. It's totally new right now, and let's set up the helmet.
and we are crossing Bishwa Bangla Gate, a famous icon of Newtown. Okay, উঠে পড়েছি মেন রোডে, and the time is now around only just 5, and this road is having some speed bumps for few kilometers ahead. So what my target is to avoid that traffic of Chingri Ghata. So I have not taken the road towards sector 5. This road also going towards sector 5 only, but I will take a I will go another way. So last time I had taken this road, but this road is kinda like having a few off-roads. See this beautiful tarmac. We will be bidding goodbye just few minutes later. And this video is going to be very short one, because I will just show the road which I have taken. So I have set the settings to the maximum 4K 60 fps. And the angle is also like ultra wide. See this high rise is on our right side. It will be turning into village in just few minutes. Actually you can say this road is like a second way towards sector 5 from Newtown. And West Bengal government have made some plans, like there will be a flyover starting from Chingri Ghata to somewhere this place, that will lead vehicles to this bridge. So it's for the same reason, to tackle the traffic of Chingri Ghata. So once that flyover is done, all vehicles will be directed towards this flyover, this bridge. The sun is setting in the west, and the heat is not so much right now. And past couple of days, its temperature remained under check. Heat wave condition didn't prevail this year for Kolkata. And this is the place. This is the place. So from here, if you have to go to sector 5, you have to take right, and we are going to take left, and you will see the change of road quality from here. And on my right, you can see these water bodies are part of Kolkata wetland. Let's go. See, you can see how the surrounding just changed just in a second. All the high rises are in my back now, and you can see the road have become kind of bad. Not off-road, it was somewhat road few years ago maybe, but right now the condition is very bad. See the sunrise. Oh, that huge palm trees or coconut trees are easily visible in the horizon. And in the corner of our screen, right corner, you can see ITC Royal Bengal atmosphere, those high rises, those are all smoky. So until we are taking that Bashanti highway, this will be the road condition. All of it will be like this. Finally a good patch and a bumper. Nice. See, a pond. Two dogs are fighting, and a pond without water. So this road is like we have to go straight, no diversions, nothing, no left or right. There will be one right we have to take. Something temple will be there. Some Kalitala temple will come. We'll show you. There's a truck here. Oh, whole team of trucks coming up, and I can see these ponds are full of fishes. Just look at those water creating the waves. Beautiful. And after working whole day in front of a computer screen, this view will surely charge you. It's like suddenly working in Kolkata and finally then in the evening traveling to Ladakh. See the off-road condition. It's total disaster here. I'm doing settling too much. It's needed actually. Few places it's needed. Cow, hen, goat, everything is available here. And see, a very small, beautiful stream. Oh, totally invisible speed bump. Hope my tire won't get leaks. Just see these turnings. Cow in my road. Okay. Did he give signs? All signs? I guess I am. I go to the wrong side. Sorry. See this one, Khash Mahal Sporting Club. This is the temple. See how big, and those highlands of Dhapa wasteland. So anyone want to experience the off-road? You want to learn? Then just come in this road. It will teach you. And with that you can get these beautiful sceneries as well. And I'm taking the right again. A very green field around here. Very weird sounds I can hear from my tire. These small stones are just getting inside that tire cover. So we are coming near to the Dhapa wasteland. So the waste of entire municipal Kolkata got dumped here in Dhapa wasteland. And usually what they do, or if they don't, it accidentally, if fire catches that waste highland, it will create huge smoke. And that smoke, what will happen with that smoke is that smoke will just travel here in this village. Last time when I was passing through this road, it was all smoky. Like out of nowhere, you're suddenly seeing a lot of, it's like fog in hills, right? It was like that. A very spooky thing. Oh, we are going through a good patch of road, and I'm quite enjoying with third gear. And I have lost quite a few light. These bumpers are totally invisible. And goodbye to the good patch. I'm back to third gear. Oh my Fuji, I'm sorry. Fuji was resting for a whole 2 weeks. I didn't came to Fuji for 2 weeks. It was just in the garage. And today I took it and giving this torture. Sorry man, but you are doing wonderful. And the water body becomes a bit of full of aquatic plants. I'm thinking to stand somewhere just not getting the place. We have some sun hours left. And I guess some part of that wasteland is under fire because the high rises, I can see the top portion of high rise but not the below. It's totally smoky. See, all these people are suffering. Bad roads. Even this has a route of auto, so they can just demand a road here. And once the whole road is clear, and if you people just give some view to these videos, I hope more people will come here, because it's a very good alternative to Chingrighata. Not only less traffic, but with this type of scenery, beautiful village scenery. See all these village vibes here. Who use broom in Kolkata? No one. You can see it all here. And it's not like I'm taking alternative detour, because that means that it will be a very longer route. Absolutely not. Last time when I checked, it was just 1 kilometer more than usual. And thank you to these people for spraying water in the roads, which will prevent dust to fly around. And this is one important section. From here, if you go straight, you will reach that nightmare Chingrighata. I'm not taking that route. I'm taking U-turn using this beautiful playground, and now I'm going towards Basanti Highway. That road will be going to Chingrighata only. And here we got some good patch. Oh, a pond without water. It's not like it got dried up, but they usually do some cleanup, or there has some reason. It's not like they just dried up. Sometimes they had to, if they are doing fish farming, to take all the fishes, grown up fishes, they will empty out the pond. Lots of holes middle of the road, so I can't really go in a relaxed mode. Oh, that's a bit speed bump. Okay. Some bridge is coming, a passway of water, I guess. One more broken bridge. Oh, there's one board. Not sure what's written there. Actually, somewhere in this place, there was some development of a water treatment plant. It was set up by our West Bengal Chief Minister Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai during 1960s, but it got like didn't proceed further, and we could see the remains of that project. We'll show you. It's just around the corner, and just in this place, you know, this forest, there is two green, those tanks are there now in used in water tanks. Those two circular tanks is here only in this place. We are here. See, these are those foundations. These are those foundations. I took a photo last time when I came here. The water is fully black. It's going in three places. Like it has three sides. And around here somewhere there is that those two circular tanks, but which is not like, I can't get it where it is. It is clearly visible in Google Maps, but there is no indication here. We almost reached Bashanti Highway. You could see here some part of that water treatment project is going on, and you don't want to smell the air here. Oh, I wanted to stop, but see. Oh. The air is very much concentrated. And that's it. Like I have reached Bashanti Highway, and that means it will just take another few minutes to reach Kolkata. Let's wait. This Bashanti Highway is very, very, dangerous, very much accident prone. And this, especially this spot, see how dangerous is this bend. If someone decides to speed up and take this corner, then it will be a nightmare. Okay, let's speed up. Not like what I said. Whenever I will get a straight stretch, I will do that. Always safe riding, not taking chances. These days Bashanti Highway is like full of traffic. It was not like this before. So this Bashanti Highway is like a gateway of Sundarban for Kolkata. It will take straight to Sundarban. See, there is no stretch which going straight. It's corner everywhere. On my right, the wasteland of Dhapa is visible, and to my left there is high rise of Urbana. See, told you na, there's fire in Dhapa. It's full of smoke there. See, it's full of smoke there. So there is no complaint to Bashanti Highway. The road is 100% top notch. No bad patches. And we are having this sunset straight to our eyes. See the wasteland. The smoke. like a mini hill for Kolkata. Oh, I forgot to wear gloves. Aha. Okay, no problem. Where it's needed the most was that bad patches. Right now it's totally concrete. And I'm not going to bypass road. I will take left from here, which will take me directly towards Ruby. Not Ruby, Abhishekta intersection. And you see this canal. This canal is going straight towards. It will just follow Bashanti Highway all along and join Vidyathari Nodi, Vidyathari River. I have one such short vlog. I went to Maloncho, where Bashanti Highway got to see the Vidyathari River. Hey yaar, जाएगा दे भाई. Okay, so this is kinda, I am already entered Kolkata. And a fact is like the road I am traveling right now, it's supposed to be a part of Kolkata Westland as well, but development kept on happening and the Westland totally changed to full of this construction. Legal, illegal, it's yours to decide. There's nothing to talk about ride, where I'm going to ride, because I too don't know. Hope something will be happening soon. Okay then, it's already sunset happened, I guess. I started from Newtown at 5 and it's right now 5:35. So I have still 25 minutes left to reach home. Yeah, enough time. Okay then, goodbye. And as I say in Bengali, দেখা হবে অন্য সময় অন্য কোথাও. See you in some other places some other day. Goodbye.